The number of suicides rose by 16% from 1999 to 2016. So why are we seeing this jump?
And the CDC found that nearly half of those who died did not have a known mental illness. So why are we seeing this jump across all age groups?
Our second core value here at J29 Creative is love. I think our society has kind of lost touch with the concept of true love and really love that's patient, that's kind, that's not asking of anything in return and truly giving your heart. It has to start internally. If you can't love yourself, you're not able to love others and make the sacrifices that's needed in order to truly be passionate about anything. I think we first have to look at ourselves and learn to just love who we are and how we were truly made. And it's amazing because when you can start loving yourself, you're able to forgive others, you're able to do what's right, you're able to just have grace for different things, even in business, regards to client relationships, regards to relationship with other employees in the organization. If you're working with a team of individuals who truly grasp love of themselves and of others, you naturally will start respecting each other and you can do great things.